I am soaked. I am soaked.
Something hit me really bad from the side.
Hey, Katie.
Don't worry though, I also have bars of soap up here, so if anyone goes over, I can toss them a bar of soap and they can wash ashore. Clear? Alright guys, everybody got those hands and wave goodbye to the dock. Don't be silly, wave goodbye to the people on the dock. You're never gonna see them again. Oh, and wave goodbye to all my fans. Bye guys, 3 more hours, you're almost there. I'm just kidding, it's more like 4. Alright, hello everyone and welcome again to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Tess. I will be your skipper, guide, and dance instructor for the next 3 weeks. Who's excited? It's about the level of enthusiasm I expect. Alright guys, some safety reminders. Keep those arms, elbows, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please don't stand. Standing on a moving vehicle, not a good idea. Standing in a boat, even worse. Should only be left to the professionals and me for some reason, but here we are. Alright guys, so we're starting our journey here in the Amazon rainforest where it rains 365 days of the year. Yeah, even today. Crazy. Alright guys, so I set up a little surprise party for us. You're really gonna love it, but I need your help. When we get up to the beach, I'm gonna count to 3 and I want everyone to shout surprise. And then the locals are gonna come out and we'll have a big party. Everyone ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Oh man, that's really embarrassing. Something must have scared them off. What? Oh my goodness! Don't worry you guys, that's just a giant python. We'd be in trouble if that was a boa. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking, but don't worry, those lions, just protecting that sleeping zebra, you know, from nightmares, because that's how zebras sleep, on their side, with their neck kind of bent. We should let him rest in peace. He looks so tired. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is crazy. Can everyone see this? I've never seen that many rocks before. Oh, and my friend Ina's there. Everyone wave and say hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
Bye, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
I guess she got the last laugh on that one. Oh, and up ahead is Schweitzer Falls, you guys. Named for the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, I know you guys have questions, but don't worry. We'll be going over that later. Oh, hippos. Why'd it have to be hippos? Okay, don't panic, guys. I know how to handle hippos. I got this. Shoo! Go on, get out of here. There we go. I think that works, you guys. Yeah, I don't like hippos. They always try to charge my boat, but I only take cash. Oh no, we're in headhunter territory now. That's a terrible place to be headed. Just ask my last boat. You're looking great, guys. Lost a lot of weight there. Oh, this is awkward. Let's just get out of here. Alright. Uh-oh, what? What's uh-oh? What? Oh my gosh, uh-oh! Everyone down! Duck! Don't worry about looking stupid. I'm already doing that. Alright, get down if you can. sing her a song, but I need your guys' help. Can you clap along with me?
It is. Want to get Poncho?
This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. This is the second verse. It's shorter than the... Happy birthday, Savannah. Alright guys, so since we're sitting here, I want to thank some of our sponsors. So I'd like to thank Animal Crackers for teaching kids that animals all taste the same. Delicious. They're so good. I also want to give a shout out to Miracle Boat Company, because if you make it to the end, it's a miracle. I also want to thank my legs for always supporting me. And my arms for always being by my side. And my fingers and toes, because I can always count on them. You've heard me talk for so long, but I promise there's just one thing left for me to say. Let's get out. Oh, I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please get out and have a magical day, you guys.
So that was really good. Our skipper was awesome. Where are we headed to next?
I don't really know. Want to splash? Yeah.
Off to Splash?
It's pretty hot out. Max, splash?
Yeah, why not?
It's like light misting outside. Kind of weird. Bounce with me.
Well, the camera's bouncing, so I don't need to.
Yeah, bounce.
Bounce.
So are we gonna get soaked?
Probably.
You're gonna get soaked, Max?
Try not to.
You have a gray shirt that's not gonna work well.
Yeah, right.
We always seem to get the front on this ride. Pick a number.
12.
Pick a number.
32.
Number?
What?
Number.
6?
We'll go with 25. See what we get.
No,
Do you want to choose a different number then?
19.
Alright, let's see what we get. 37. Nope. 38. We're all wrong.
Have a zippity doo dah ride.
We're gonna get soaked, aren't we?
Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Mark my words. The rabbit's gonna put his foot in broth off his mouth.
Oh, they got that one. Oh my gosh. Yay! And we're already wet.
Yep.
Whoa, you okay over there? Are you okay over here? Are you okay? Or are you okay? I think we know now why Splash is in desperate need of a refurb.
Yeah, wife's going down in 2 days.
Working?
Not
You need some
working.
help. You need some help. You're okay, surprisingly. Hey, Amanda?
You sort of make a fool of yourself, Red Baby. That's not Red Baby.
You okay, Bear Rabbit? No? Okay.
Can I go too?
Yeah, come on.
Hey y'all, hold up there.
Just be.
The water fountains are working though.
You're looking for a laughing place, eh? We'll show you a laughing place.
Don't slip me in that right.
Oh my gosh.
I am soaked. I am soaked.
Something hit me really bad from the side.
How you guys doing back there? Max, did you put on a poncho?
I did.
Max, every day you become more like me.
Something got me from the side.
The end got me too. I'm dripping water. And now the best part, getting stuck in the waterfall. Yay! Woo. The front side of water. Oh yeah. Standing up, moving on now. It's where he's born and bred it. The fire practice where he's headed to.
Now you flung us here, so stop that singing. Ow!
Mr. Bluebird. Are you okay, my friend? Amanda, you are so. Alright, so bless you. You done?
Yeah.
Alright, so we do this every time. See who got the wettest. And Amanda,
I don't know. This side is wet.
that's like got pretty bad. Your hair's okay though.
Yeah, I ducked, so I typically get my back.
I mean, I ducked too, but just wait. Melissa, got a little bit. Melissa, I'm pretty sure you were wearing this the last time
I
we
was. I
rode.
definitely was.
And Max,
I wore a poncho like a smart man. So I'm not
weenie, weenie alert. I think I got the wettest again.
I feel like you were wearing this last time too.
I think I was. It just dries quickly, so that's why it probably was. So my hair got soaked, even though I ducked. Big thunder time, choo choo. Oh, there's a storm coming, and it looks so cool right here with Big Thunder Mountain in the background. All right, guys, pick a number 1 through 6. I'm gonna say 1.
2, 4. What's my number?
You said 3? So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see. All right, let's see what we got. We got 4. Melissa, you were right.
What do I get?
Right on Big Thunder Mountain. Back of Big Thunder. Hold on. What in the world was that?
That's raining.
Oh, that's right.
I can hold it back a little bit. I got it.
Well, that was fun. Hey, look, Nugget Way.
What?
Did you have a good time getting rained on?
Yes.
And going fast?
Yeah.
And doing the thunder with the mountain, with the big, and the railroad part.
Broken.
Oh, there we go. Might as well stay up here because we're not getting back.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like and comment.
And also, if you want to check out any of our other awesome videos, like our previous one, make sure you click right here. And then also make sure you subscribe to us so you can see some of our future content. Thanks, guys.